In this video, we are going to be learning 5 amazing effects you can do with keyframe. After watching this video, you'll be able to use the keyframe effect like a pro. This is a complete keyframe animation mastery for beginners. Are you ready? Let's get started. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be using the Capcut mobile app for the keyframe animation effect. Number 1, zoom in effects. I've gotten this video that I'm going to be using as an example on pixabay.com for the zoom in effects. The first thing you need to do is to tap on the video timeline. Then you click on this diamond icon. Then you move to the last point where the video ended. All you need to do is to tap on the video itself and zoom in like this, and the video is going to make a zoom in effect. Now let's play back to see how it looks like. Can you see this cool effect using the keyframe? So this is how you can do the zoom in effect using keyframe. Part 2, sliding effect. So in order to do the sliding effect, you can slide in from either the top, bottom, left and right. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be sliding in from the bottom. All you need to do is to click on the video that you wanted to slide in from the bottom. So you drag it out of the frame just like I'm doing right now. As you can see, everything has been dragged out. So all I'm going to do right now is to add the keyframe to this point. So you are going to add the keyframe at the beginning here. So then you now move to the last point where the video stop, or wherever you want the video to stop the slide in effect. So all you need to do is to move to the point where you want it to stop. Then you start moving the video inside just like this. As you can see, it is going to automatically add the second keyframe. Once the video has fit properly, you can leave it that way. Then let's play back to see how the video looks like. So as you can see, this is a cool sliding effect. Number 3, fade effect. We are going to be using keyframe to do the fade effect as well. Click on the point where you want the video to start fading. So, and all you need to do is to add the keyframe. After you are done adding the keyframe, then you move to the last point where you want the fade effect to stop. After that, make sure you scroll and look for opacity. So we are going to be using the opacity to do this effect. So click on opacity and make sure you reduce it. Immediately, the second keyframe will be activated for you automatically, and the video will fade gradually. As you can see that the video is now fading. So you can leave it like this. If you think it is okay like this, you can leave it. So you can leave it at this point. So click on the check mark. So now let's play back to see how the fade effect looks like. As you can see, the video is fading gradually. So this is how you can use keyframe to do the fade effects. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. So let's continue. Number 4, grayscale effect. In order to do the grayscale effect, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you add keyframe at the beginning. Then you scroll to the point where you want the grayscale effect to start taking effect. So after that, you now scroll to this section and you look for adjust. Then you click on adjust. Then you are going to click on saturation. So you are going to reduce the saturation so that it can give it the grayscale effect, and the second keyframe is going to be added automatically. Now you can see this video is going to turn to grayscale right now. So now let's check mark it. So let's play the video back again to see the effect. As you can see, this video has turned to grayscale video. So this is how you can do the grayscale effect using the keyframe. Number 5, scrolling text effects. For the scrolling text effect, I'm going to be using this text as an example in order to make it fit properly. So I'm going to adjust the text until the end of the video, as you can see, so that the scrolling text can be played throughout the video. After that, I'm going to move the text out of the frame like this entirely. So after I'm done moving it, so I'm going to add keyframe at the point where I want the scrolling text effect to start. I'm going to add the first keyframe here. So after that, so I'm going to scroll it to this section where I want the keyframe to stop. Then you start dragging in the text so that the text can appear on the screen. So make sure you drag the text effects like this. You can see, make sure you drag it like this until it finally moves out of the frame. Let's play back to see how the scrolling text effect is going to look like. As you can see, the text is scrolling currently, so using the keyframe effect in Capcut. So if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.